What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul.
Let me get you some help, intruder. You're not welcome.
Why do you want to go hanging with me? You can't stand me.
That's not true.
What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. We can get you what you need. Have a buffet on this day to feed. Keyboard, cowboy, silicon soldier. I ain't returned till the mission's over. Pull my mask up while I tie my do-rag. Cash in after I capture the flag. They say they have firewalls, dousing those TensorFlow intelligence to complete our goals. Stripping hackers like we have allergies and authorized access but a server to the knee. If we execute this properly, they want a thing be anomaly, but leave a back door before you leave. So an if you can point those logs I can read. I'm cybernetic boy, I'll binary bleed. I slay subject man line terminally.
When we say we are keyboard warriors, we really do mean that shit.
Yeah.
You're not welcome.
We really got this.
Yeah.
We really do take bounties. I'm surrounded by two types of people, and that's hackers and who's.
Hacker gang.
Please don't find out. And if you want to find out,
Bounty
don't say I
hunters.
didn't warn you.
Hacker gang, hacker gang, hacker gang, hacker gang. Pull up Metasploit, just to prove a point. Hacking mama's house while we smoking this joint. Little bad bitty, she said she gang. Let me see them scripts. Oh yeah, she bang. She found a 0 day, had to get it off quick. We sold it in the program, flipping the script. Ping me, rack, click, clack, cha-ching. Onomatopoeias, they ain't even see us. Patch your shit, oh we finna hit. We found a geo fence and we finna mince. They ain't seen since. You are past tense, and that's why it's important. Keep a digital defense. Hacker gang, just the same immutable like blockchain. Mastermind, big brain, standing on business while I'm sitting on profit. Mobile exploit over a socket in my pocket. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul.
Let me get you some help, intruder. You're not welcome.
Why do you want to go hanging with me? You can't stand me.
That's not true.
What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. We can get you what you need. Have a buffet on this day to feed. Keyboard, cowboy, silicon soldier. I ain't returned till the mission's over. Pull my mask up while I tie my do-rag. Cash in after I capture the flag. They say they have firewalls, dousing those TensorFlow intelligence to complete our goals. Stripping hackers like we have allergies and authorized access but a server to the knee. If we execute this properly, they want a thing be anomaly, but leave a back door before you leave. So an if you can point those logs I can read. I'm cybernetic boy, I'll binary bleed. I slay subject man line terminally.
When we say we are keyboard warriors, we really do mean that shit.
Yeah.
You're not
We
welcome.
really got this.
Yeah.
We really do take bounties. I'm surrounded by two types of people, and that's hackers and who's.
Hacker gang.
Please don't find out. And if you want to
Hacker
find
gang.
out,
Bounty
don't say I
hunters.
didn't warn you.
Hacker gang, hacker gang, hacker gang, hacker gang. Pull up Metasploit, just to prove a point. Hacking mama's house while we smoking this joint. Little bad bitty, she said she gang. Let me see them scripts. Oh yeah, she bang. She found a 0 day, had to get it off quick. We sold it in the program, flipping the script. Ping me, rack, click, clack, cha-ching. Onomatopoeias, they ain't even see us. and we finna mince. They ain't seen since. You are past tense, and that's what's important. Keep a digital defense. Hacker gang, just the same immutable like blockchain. Mastermind, big brain, standing on business while I'm sitting on profit. Mobile exploit, open socket in my pocket. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul.
Let me get you some help, intruder. You're not welcome.
Why do you want to go dating with me? You can't stand me.
That's not true.
What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. What you gonna do when a bounty on you? Hacker gang at your neck, know your every move. It could be a hella server, it could be a head of state. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that rate. Hacker gang got you, gotta pay that fee. We'll take the job, but not for free. Flexing so hard it hurts to pose. Digital bounty hunters in our soul. We can get you what you need. Have a buffet on this day to feed. Keyboard, cowboy, silicon soldier. I ain't returning till the mission's over. Pull my mask up while I tie my do-rag. Cash in after I capture the flag. They say they have firewalls. Dousing those TensorFlow intelligence to complete our goals. Slipping hackers like we have allergies and authorized access but a server to the knee. If we execute this properly, they want a thing be anomaly. But leave a back door before you leave. So an if you can point those logs I can read. I'm cybernetic boy, our binary bleed. I slay subject man line terminally.
When we say we are keyboard warriors, we really do mean that shit.
Yeah,
You're not welcome.
We really got this.
yeah.
We really do take bounties. I'm surrounded by two types of people, and that's hackers and who's.
Hacker gang.
Please don't find out.
Boom, boom, boom. That mic audio. Audio for capture. All right, cool. So, how's everyone doing? So we're just doing some coding today, working on some stuff, actually testing out and doing a multicast. So I have, we are live on Twitch, we are live on YouTube, and we are live on Facebook, which I don't know if that's doing Instagram or not, but if you're watching this and this on Instagram, let me know. Alright, so like I said, today we're just chilling. I'm working on some code for a client, and then just want to basically just shoot the shit with y'all. Alright, event attributes. Okay, this actually is done. Fixed last night. Alright, let me go grab my phone. Alright, y'all, my bad, I'm back. Alright. So, what y'all been up to? What's been good, y'all? Go ahead, pull up all my, oops, disconnect. Pull up this stream chats. It's the first time I got multiple chats I gotta take care of. Alright. Cool. Sorry, so that's working. Alright, so I'm gonna go over here. What else we got? Alright. Deposit link appended. Alright, so we gotta put the deposit link. Alright, I can do that. So we're gonna move this to in progress. And then let's create a branch. Boom. Go ahead and close out all this. Look at something real quick. Hey, what up, Kurt? What you doing, big dog? I've been good, bro. I've been real good. Been a minute. I see you out here, man. I know you've hit me up, and I've been hella busy. I haven't been able to respond back, but I have been seeing you, bro. Miss you, bro. We need to hop on the phone soon. All right, so we got here. Let's see. Add event. Checkout charge. Alright. But nah, dog, I've been good. I've been good, bro. And if y'all watching, no matter what platform y'all watching on, please share it, like it, do all that good stuff. Alright, here's what I'm making the checkout links. Let me go over here. Copy. And then here. Book checkout links, create checkout session. What else am I doing this at? Alright, got the checkout session here. You watching on Facebook? Alright, cool. Let me know how the quality is. Because like I said, this is my first time I'm doing a simulcast. I'm streaming across 3 platforms right now, so definitely interested to see how it's comparing. Right now it looks I'm getting good metrics, but Let's see. Let's see. Create. Check out session. Okay, I'm already doing that right there. Alright, cool. I know what I need to do. So I need to remove it. Since I'm already doing it here, I just need to call the add booking service. Create checkout. I need to call this right here. After I send a message. And instead of booking, it's going to be make this booking. Alright, and then what I'll do right here is I'll make booking equals that. Checkouts. 0. Let's see, so I got the checkout session. Alright, where am I at? Checkout session. One is the booking. There's the checkout session. Alright. Alright, let's see. Check out. Alright, so that is it. So create the Google event after the text is sent to ensure all checkout links are created. Alright, cool. So there's that one. Now we'll get over here. Got the URL. So now we got checkout link. So grab all checkout links. Equals looking checkout links. Alright. Link text equals that. Alright, for each checkout link. Link checkout. Link checkout URL. I think. What is it? So, what y'all think about what's going on in current events? More in particular, what's going on with El Presidente? So models, got family. Alright. Cool. And then I'm gonna do link text. It is here see. Slash session. make a pull request. Alright. Number 75. All right, cool. Now go over here. Alright, see if I get the text message. Cool. Perfect. All right. All right, so that's done. What else we got? Alright, so that's knocked out the way. That's done. We need to address this in the workflow. So what I'm going through, I got my client on a nice GitHub workflow, and basically, it's helping me to know like priority what needs to be done, and also it's helping him because a lot of times clients, they actually like, they know what they want in terms of like how they envision it in their head, but a lot of times that's hard to translate that into technical terms. And if you don't write things down, if you don't have notes, a lot of times it can lead to frustration on both parts because there's miscommunication. So if that makes sense, what I'm saying. And go. So hold on one second. Alright, so that one, new artist payment link, a third payment link generated upon booking. This will also be custom amount. So you want this to automatically be created upon booking. Let's see. Well, if did I already do this? Alright. Engineer. Cool. So I need to add the color ID. Alright, bet. So here, each engineer needs to be associated with a color ID. So I'm gonna put this in progress. I'll create a branch for it. 69. Alright. Cool. to okay. Port is already allocated. Alright, let's see here. Oh. So let's. Ooh, I didn't want to stop that. I didn't want to stop this though. Try again. Yay. Alright, now it's back up. So now what we're gonna do is going to make a migration and add color ID. Add color ID to users. Get that going. And on my testing servers, I actually commented out one of my migrations and messed it up. So I'm going to use the opportunity to fix that before I merge it into main. Go. Copy that. And put that right there. Alright, cool. So, table. Google Calendar API. Calendar API, view documentation, event. Alright, color ID is strings. String. Alright, table, string, color ID, default, let's see, default 5. Comment this out for right now and comment later. Slash vendor bin sale artisan migrate. Cool. Now I need to go up here, my edit engineer. We're going to add color ID equals color ID, color ID. engineer, color ID. Boom. Alright, so now I got this. Now I'm going to uncomment this. And I'm going to submit this for my testing color ID. Oh, wait, before I do that, I need to go to Google Search. Color ID. Color ID. Color ID. Engineer. Booking engineer. No. Oh. That's also in the wrong spot. Add event. Alright, so push that one, and now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna do a GitHub pull request. We're gonna do a new pull request. We're gonna base this into testing. Alright, so create that merge commit, and then let's go back over here. Let's go over here. Go to deployments. Alright, see how that's going. Ugh, what happened here? Okay. But did it do what I needed it to do? That's the main question. So let's see. So I got the text message. It's going over to the Stripe checkout. The Stripe checkout. All right, go ahead and pay this. Yay. All right, cool. So now I can go back. working here. I can get rid of this. Remove dbfix for testing. I hate when I have to do them ghetto ass fixes, but you know, shit happens. All right. So this is gonna merge into testing. Create. Alright, now I can do another pull request from what's it called? From testing into main. So we're gonna do main, and then we're gonna do testing. Alright, closes number 69. Create. And it's doing its thing. Guys, what's it doing so long to check see if it can be merged? Hurry up. Alright, let's go over here. Let's go to pull request. Main. Merge pull request. Merge request. Boom. I'm not deleting testing. Color ID, color ID. Alright, cool. Ooh, but I actually am not done because color. Alright. So I need to go over here, I need to go over here, I need to go over here. I need to go here. And then I need to go here. So PHP artisan edit engineer other color ID equals 8. Ooh, I think that's gonna fail. Yup. I know why, because I did not put color ID. What? and or color ID. All right, boom. So there's that, but then also I need to update the model to accept color ID. Fix edit. Alright, and then this is deploying, and then we'll rerun that. Alright, let's rerun. Boom. Alright. Cool. Anybody else who is number 8? No. Alright, but we're gonna do Benny for 6. Anybody else 6? No. Connor is 4. Anybody else 4? No. Dylan is 9. Anybody else 9? No. Frost is 11. Nomad is 7. SB is 3. So fly is 10. Kyrie's is 2. Kelbo is 2. Brax. Tay Beats. Coach. And Kaylee. Alright. So net yellow is 5. Alright, so let's make one with other. Actually, just gonna have him do that. Alright. Knocked out quite a few of them so far. Hey, what up, Ty? What's up, Tyler? Frost. Getting clean, my boy. Heck yeah, bro. You gonna be at the studio tonight, Frost? I'm gonna be up there. I'm gonna be up there in a few hours. Going through just getting everything together. So far, we've on. I think we're on like 80 something issues we done knocked out. So I'm happy about it. I am happy about it. Client parents. Client payment research calendar event 19 hours ago. Come on, Nick, I need a little bit more. Can you confirm it is still doing it? Hitting the gym first and pop up. That's funny because I'm hitting the gym after I finish this. I'm hitting the gym. Wait for my kids to get off the bus at 5 o'clock and then I'm gonna be through. Feel like everything's coming together. It is coming together real nice. Like I'm real proud of this. Definitely plan, have big plans, helping out, building this collaboration with the studio and the company, and also coming through. And I'm gonna be doing all the networking too. Me putting some servers and shit in the studio. It's about to be high tech over at 400. Real talk. So I'm excited. And then, it's like shit. Might as well start doing this, get back on my streaming stuff. So I was working on everything and just trying to get it how it's supposed to be. Alright, so I don't know if I'm out here. This is in review. Alright. Date dynamic text. Alright, artist name, artist phone number. Okay, I can do this real quick. So this will be in progress. Create a branch. Got that checked out. That's what I like to hear. All right, elevation, blessings, Brody. Thank you, man. Once again, bro, I really appreciate because none of this wouldn't be possible if it weren't for you reaching out. So I greatly appreciate it. All right, so we're gonna go over here, reorder some of the fields. All right, exit that out. So he wants, let's see, artist name first. Artist name. All right, so we got artist name, and so that is up here. And then he wants the artist phone number. All right. So we got that. Put that up here. Yeah. Don't forget, like the stream, share it. I'm gonna be doing this every day. Not particularly this app, but I will be doing live coding every day. So, come through. If there's anything that y'all would like for me to work on, like to see, just hit me up and I'll gladly do it. So we got the date. So we got start. Okay. Start, duration. And then engineer their room. All right, boom, there's that. We'll go and just check that out real quick. Post. Actually, the wrong one. All right, cool. So artist name, and then we got artist phone number. Then we got the date. Then we got the engineer and then the room. All right, bet. All right, so now, all right, cool. So artist name, phone number, date, engineer, studio. All right, cool. And that's done. That was that was easy. All right, boom. Reorder. Too much stuff on the screen. I don't know why I went into IT. Hey, mom. All right, so we got that up. We're going ahead and do the pull request. What y'all need to do is y'all need to drop some of these stars and support the channel. No, I was playing. I'm not playing, but you know. All right, so we're gonna go in here. We're gonna merge this into testing. All right, and this closes number. What was it? 48. Closes number 48. We're gonna create. Boom. We're gonna merge this pull request. We're gonna merge it hard. Delete the branch. Get the out of here. And now we go back to pull request, and we're gonna merge testing into main because we are good workflow engineers here, and we don't just willy-nilly merge shit. We've never done that. Oh man, I have broken production so many times it's not funny. Not recently, because you know I don't do that shit no more, but you know what I'm saying. Hey, yo, what's up? Gang, gang. Thank you. You are the first stars that I've ever gotten. Look at that support. Love you, mama. Alright, let's go over here. Let's go to pull requests. I'm gonna make a new pool. Alright, so we're gonna in the main, create pull requests. Boom, 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 boom. Create pull request. And merge pull request. Confirm merge. We're not going to delete this branch because we need testing. And we go back over the issues, and it should be. Oh, this is done. We are closing this issue. And now that isn't done, let's go over to the project. Let's look at the Kanban board. Some project management stuff. You use Kanban boards, Mom? Wait, reorder. I thought I just did this. Oh, close. Is that some of that water? Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
My wife said I'm thirsty, y'all. Alright. Alright, so this is done. Closed. Yeah, this is closed. Quit messing with me. Alright. Calendar description, link and timestamp. Now I gotta do all of this UI crap. Man, I'm in the process of refactoring it anyway. What was that? Oh man, that's done. That was you. Alright, so where we at with it now? Alright, actually now the rest of this stuff I need to get with Nick at the actual studio and work on. So I think I'm going to call it quits for right now. How was the quality on the multi-stream? Like I said, this is the first time that I have what's it called, done a stream on multiple platforms. So this was on Twitch, this was on YouTube, and this is on Facebook. And then I'm going to be adding TikTok. I'm going to be adding all that. I actually got my own Docker set up using SSRS, and I'm using the forward functionalities running on my Raspberry Pi. And it's really dope because I can just stream to my Raspberry Pi and then it forwards it out to all the other ones. So this is it's lit. I'm liking streaming on Facebook. It's pretty nice. But anyway, y'all, love y'all, and I will be back tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this daily. Also, am in the job market. Anybody have any full-time or contract roles? Send them my way. Or if you just you got any WordPress, Laravel, iOS, Android, web stuff that needs to be done, hit your boy up. But anyway, love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Shake out. Gang, gang, hacker gang.